So this introduction on how to build Swipe, that's an application responsible for waste disposal, pickup, as well as community crowdfunding to clean a particular society. There is a main customers and agents login. The agents are responsible for picking up this order and cleaning the society, while community customers are responsible for and activities include making order and actually raising funds to clean their community. So this is step-by-step process on how to build it. Starting with making a wireframe, that is a diagrammatic representation of how the app will look like using just biro on a paper, and then making actual diagram of how it looks like on paper before actually transferring it to code. We start with the first template is the login, then the register, followed by account, which is the protected route for each users that logs in. Then creating the Redux store, which stores data to be distributed within each component. There are so many components like the admin component, the admin account component, the community and others. Then creating a safe storage where even though the user refreshes the browser, it still keeps the certain data that can be sent along with a request using Axios and getting the data back for the user, meaning the data doesn't refresh and resets when the browser is refreshed. Then creating the routes for all these components. The routes can be found in the route list of this application, and then mapping through these routes in the default header. So the next one is integrating Google Map. For more information on Google Map, you can check their documentation, which uses routes, imagery, and every other for the admin and the customers. Then the use of links to different components and looping through these JSON objects like the community lists as are JSON objects that are looped through using JavaScript maps. Then the order and summary page, which contains the Paystack API for the payment, and then integrating a text editor. I'm using Draft.js, which is also one of Facebook features for text editing on React. Then sending the JSON string to the server using form data, which is almost like a form HTML form equivalent with an action on it. So this is it.